showing you some premium, very nice classic pieces, and this is a quad. So इसमें आपको दिख पा रहा होगा कि ये पूरा heavy कटदाने का काम है, and it's a very classic quad. The price point of this is only and only 2,999. और इसके आप कलर्स देख लीजिए, beautiful colors, beige, mustard, and a cobalt blue. The price is only 2,999 and it's an imported fabric, which is an imported crepe fabric. Another one is this. This is again a very rich quad, medium to XL रहेगा ये, and ये आपका जो fabric है मसलिन और cotton का blend है. Price of this is only 1,999. Another quad is this. So इसमें फ्लावर बना हुआ है, मीडियम टू आपका ये साइज जो रहेगा वो रहेगा एक्सेल. दिस इज द वर्क ऑन इट. द प्राइस इज ओनली 2,195. दीज आर ऑल प्रीमियम आर्टिकल्स एंड इस पे पूरा का पूरा बीड से काम है, एंड द फैब्रिक इज क्वाइट एक्सपेंसिव. Another one is another very rich quad, medium to XL रहेगा ये भी, और this is the metal work on it. This is the lookbook of the article. It's a very rich classic article. The price is only 2,195. Now showing you a very rich article which is available till a 3XL. The price is 2,495. शिफॉन की स्लीव्स हैं और बहुत प्यारे से क्लासिक से आर्टिकल्स हैं ये. The next pieces are these. So this is a crepe premium, medium to double XL is the price, is the size. Imported nice crepe material है, यहाँ पर सारी लेस लगी है और ये सारा का सारा कटदाने का काम है. बहुत रिच से आर्टिकल्स हैं. प्राइस इज ओनली एंड ओनली 2,195. 2,195 only. The next article is again a super rich classic. So this is a bohemian vibe. So bohemian, very pretty quad out here. Sizes are available from medium to a 3XL. And the price of this beautiful quad is only and only 2,195. And now another piece. So ये वाला आपका जो sizing रहेगा medium to large ही रहेगा इस वाले quad का, और प्राइस इसका कॉटन लिनन कैटेगरी में विद एम्ब्रॉयडरी रहेगा 1,495. अनदर वन, ये आगे आप इसका टील कलर सेम का ही, इसका साइज जो है वो रहेगा लार्ज. सो दोनों का साइज लार्ज ही जा रहा है लास्ट, एंड द प्राइस ऑफ दिस इज 1,495 ओनली. अनदर आर्टिकल, ये आपका मीडियम टू एक्सेल रहेगा, डबल एक्सेल भी खरीद सकते हैं. This is the Kodia. This is the embroidery, and the price of this hip covering quad with the lace is only and only 1,999. Another quad is a cotton linen and a muslin blend. It's a very classic quad. Sleeves पे भी आप इसका काम देख सकते हैं. साइज इसका लास्ट जाएगा मीडियम टू अ डबल एक्सेल, और प्राइस इसका जाएगा ओनली एंड ओनली 1,999. Another one is this. So this is also a very rich quad. 2 कलर्स आ रहे हैं इसके, और 3XL तक जाएगा ये. ये इसका लोअर एरिया आ गया, आई मीन लोअर आ गया विद एम्ब्रॉयडरी. इट्स अ हाई लो ब्यूटिफुल पैटर्न, बहुत सुंदर सा पैटर्न है विद लोटस. Do not miss the lower also. Lower is also so nice. ये देखो लो. And the price point is only 1,888. Full on long quad. Next आपका medium to double XL है, जरी वर्क के साथ है, and the price is only 1,650. Comes with a beautiful पोटली. मसलिन का था वो. And this one is again a very rich quad. शिफले की इसकी लोअर्स हैं, पूरा फुल ऑन जाल है. मसलिन का प्रीमियम आर्टिकल है विद अ लाइनिंग. पूरी सीक्वेंस आपको दिख रही है स्लीव्स पे और इस पे. प्राइस इज ओनली 1,999 एंड द साइज इज मीडियम टू अ डबल एक्सेल. Another one. स्मॉल टू अ मीडियम ओनली, स्मॉल मीडियम एंड लार्ज ओनली. सो इस पे देखोगे तो लोअर में ऐसे कोड़ियां बनी है एंड दिस इज द वर्क, बीड वर्क है सारा. प्राइस इज 1650 ओनली. Showing you a quad on price on demand. So two quads on price on demand and the first one is this. ये पूरा का पूरा bead work है. It's a very classic piece and look at the finishing. ये आपकी सारी finishing आ रही है इसकी and it's a beautiful classic quad in double georgette. That's our first piece which I wanted to show you, price on demand. Another piece is this one. It's a pure crepe quad with embroidery. The price will be on demand only for these two quads. On demand. Another one is a crepe quad. The price is only and only, look at the way it goes with metal work, 1999. Another one is the one which is cotton linen and it's got wool work. ये 3XL तक जाएगा. Price is 1888. Another one is a beautiful high-low. तो इसमें है lyrics, इसमें है this kind of a work and this. The price is only 1999. Next piece is a medium to a size 42 super soft organza की sleeves हैं, muslin का cord and look at the statement piece. The price is only 1999. A beautiful gorgeous piece. Look at this. और ये है आपका पारसी वर्क on pure chinon georgette and this is a par excellence quad. The price on sale is 2888 at the moment. Another color is this. The price is on sale at 2888. The size is available from medium to a 46. Another one is this. So ये आपके दो बहुत ब्यूटीफुल से कॉर्ड्स हैं. हॉट पिंक में आपको 3XL तक मिलेगा और ब्लैक में आपको XL तक ही मिलेगा. ये भी डबल जॉर्जेट के कॉर्ड्स हैं. प्राइस इज 2488. Another piece is a gorgeous piece. Medium to 3XL is available. Piece is a classic muslin silk. Price is only 2650 for this. Another one are very beautiful pieces. This is crepe. And दो बहुत सुंदर से कलर्स हैं. Price is only 2250. Look at the work. Sizes are available. Another ones are very gorgeous pieces. और इस तरह से इस दोनों की पैंट सेम होंगी तो इसलिए हमने एक की दिखा दिया आपको. Price is only 1888. Muslin silk with this kind of palazzo which is shifling. 1888. Pure georgette is the need of the hour. And our quad is only 2495. It's pure. Another one is a very nice satin crepe look. Medium to double XL रहेगा and do not miss the look of the piece. It's all beads. Another one is a denim quad. Denim के अंदर ये बहुत ही pretty सा quad है. All sizes available till double XL. और इसी के साथ हम ये वाला दिखा रहे हैं and both the quads are actually taken by two very nice labels. It's that caliber. 2499. Very nice crepe quads. And these are imported pieces. Medium to large XL रहेंगे. And the price is only 1888. Another piece is a piece with a divider. Do not miss it. और ये है बहुत अच्छा सा organza piece with a beautiful muslin silk bottom. The price is only 2400. And now a very rich mustard yellow. Do not miss it at 2200. Showing you a beautiful suit and this is a very pretty nice number and this is a shimmer edit and a very nice piece for festivity and little small occasions. Another one is this. So ये वाला है पूरा का पूरा बहुत classic सा piece and you can see कि इसमें सारा patchwork है. This is the sleeve of the piece, which makes it look really pretty. And that's the dupatta. So it's a very elegant and a classic number. And these are quads cum suits. ये जो है concept बहुत ही प्यारा सा concept है, प्योर चिनोन जॉर्जेट का है. एंड प्राइस पॉइंट इस वाले का रहेगा 3200 ओनली. अनदर वन इज दिस. ये आपका 3200 का कंसेप्ट रहेगा. और दिस इज द कटदाना ऑफ द पीस. एंड सारा का सारा कटदाने का वर्क है. अगर आप इसमें देखें तो बहुत ही प्रिटी आर्टिकल है. नेक्स्ट आर्टिकल इज अ वेरी प्रिटी नाइस पीस. और इसमें है इस तरह का फ्लावर्स. और दिस इज डन विथ शिमर. एंड डू नॉट मिस द पीस हियर. द प्राइस इज 2999 ओनली. और इसके अब हम आपको कलर्स दिखा रहे हैं और स्लीव्स भी इसकी मिस मत करिए. कलर 1 इज दिस. कलर 2 इज दिस. इट्स अ 2999. I'm again repeating so that there's no confusions. और ये है आपका मसलिन का स्लीव्स. इस तरह से इसकी लुक रहेगी. और ये है स्लीव्स का बॉटम का. 2999 ओनली. एंड द थर्ड कलर टू गो फॉर दिस इज दिस वन. बहुत ही प्यारा सा कलर है, ऑरेंज. और इस तरह से इसका दुपट्टा रहेगा. एंड दिस इज द लोअर एरिया. एंड दिस इज द स्लीव्स. नेक्स्ट आर्टिकल इज दिस. ये है आपका क्रेप का बेहतरीन पीस. और सारा का सारा ये लेदर वर्क है. नीचे है हल्की सी गोटा लाइंस. एंड द पीस इज ब्यूटिफुल विद ऑफ वाइट लोअर. Another one is this. This is a muslin premium with a organza dupatta. The price is only 1888. Another one is again a muslin suit. It's really a rich, nice piece. This is the latkan of the same. हल्का हल्का छीटा है इस पे. And sequence का price size will go up till a size 48. And the price of this is 2450. And now a gorgeous piece. This is genuinely a gorgeous piece. Do not miss it. इसे आराम से देखिए. बहुत प्यारा सा आर्टिकल है. This is the sleeves. This is the potli. And this is the dupatta. The price is 3600 for this. It's just a classic. 3600 only. And the next color tone is this of white. इसका भी बहुत ही प्यारा सा लुक है. वाइट कह सकते हैं इसे, डर्टी वाइट. दिस इज द दुपट्टा. एंड दिस इज द पोटली. द प्राइस इज 3600 ओनली. Another piece. So these are all gorgeous, nice, classic articles and premiums of Mystic Studio. Look at this. Beautiful piece. ये देखिए वर्क इसका. और ये इसका दुपट्टा. Price is only 2999. And now a gorgeous piece. So ये है बहुत pretty से pieces. ये है थोड़े से short bohemian look में. You can wear it as a quad also. Plain इसके trousers रहेंगे. Absolutely plain like this. And the color one is this one. Look at this latkan. Look at this flower. बहुत pretty article है ये. और ये है इसका दुपट्टा. और इसमें आपके 2 कलर टोन्स आ गए. सेकेंड कलर टोन भी आप देख लीजिए. बहुत ही प्रिटी कलर टोन है. दोनों के दोनों गॉर्जियस नेहले पे देला कलर्स हैं. वेरी प्रिटी नाइस आर्टिकल्स. द नेक्स्ट पीस इज दिस. वेरी 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 प्रिटी. बहुत ही अच्छी एम्ब्रॉयडरी है. दिस इज योर दुपट्टा. दिस इज द लुक. सो 2 ब्यूटिफुल कलर्स. वेरी वेरी क्लासिक्स. तो इससे पहले वाला भी 2200 था और ये वाला भी 2250 है. And now a gorgeous piece. Look at this. This is a premium muslin. The price is 2800. बहुत ही pretty article है. These are premiums, guys. Very well highlighted. Very pretty piece. showing you our latest Indo-Western, and this is all flower work, and this has a divider. The price of this is only 3,500. Pure Georgette. Another one is this. And you can have a look at this beautiful one. Again with the divider. That's your back. The price is 3,650 only. Another one. So these two are beautiful pieces. Both the colors are equally challenging. This is the sleeve. That's the back, and the sizes available are medium to a 46, 48. Price is only 3,500. Another one is this. Another beautiful drape, and this is got blue work, and the price is 3,500 only. Now a lookbook are on our beautiful kaftans. So the first one is a long one. All our kaftans are priced between 3,500 to 3,800 depending on the style number. So 1, 2 is the rose one, 3 is the sombroy, and you can see that it's a two-tone, dual tone. Another one is this, और ये है real mirrors के साथ. Another one is this, the most famous, the coin work, which you can give orders in any color. So once you see our kaftans, you'll know the lookbook of these pieces. Another one is this butterfly. So the butterfly is in 2 colors, and the butterfly is the only kaftan which is 3,200. The rest are all between 3,500 to 3,800. So even in the video, they won't be tagged with the pricing. I have just spoken it in the video. So this is a world famous article, not available with any vendor all over India, all over the world. It is ours. Still it is copied. Another one is this. Beautiful classic. Look at this. So you can imagine how beautiful these pieces are. Another one is this. So you can have a good look at this beadwork. It is just a par excellence article. Look at this. Another one is in 2 shades. So at the moment we have these 2 shades. Rest you can apply for any color which you want. Look at this. Another one is this. This is the lookbook of the product. And now a gown. This is a viscose rayon gown, and the price is 2,100 only. Another one is a divider piece, and the fabric is pure chinon. This is the work. The price of the divider with this latkan is only and only 2,999 on sale. Another one is another drape with a belt. इस तरह से drape रहेगा belt के साथ. Price is only 1,888 only. Another one is a beautiful high-low. Will go till a size 48. Very pretty work. That's the look. And the price point of this is, with the pants, only 2,500. Another one is another drape. So this is a jacket look. That's the lookbook. और ये है आपका pretty सा drape. And the drape is only 2,800. Another drape is this. The price is 2,800. All sizes are available. That's the back. And a beautiful piece altogether. Another piece is a gorgeous gown. Look at this with the beads. Price is 2,500. And now some kaftan quads. So you can have a look at these 3 colors. The price is 3,200 only with the palazzos. I'll show you the palazzo of one. This is the palazzo. These are all pure materials which are very, very, very expensive. Another one is this. This is also 3,200 only. Another one is this. This is again with palazzos. It is 3,500 only. And now showing you another gown. So this is a beautiful gown which you're seeing. Size is medium to a XL. And the price of this gown is only and only 2200 only. Another gown is this. बहुत प्यारा सा गाउन है ये देखिए, बहुत ही प्रिटी. And this is the drape. The price of this gown is 3000 only.